Hey guys, welcome to another episode on how to use ARI, Auto Repair Software. My name is Cameron, and here's what I have in store for you today.
Here's how to use customer intake links in ARI. From the home screen, open your profile, then select Customer Intake Links. Choose how long the link should stay active. You can also add the customer's name, phone, email, and an internal note. Select Create Link. ARI generates a unique, single-use link for this customer. You can revoke an active link before it is used. Then copy it, or send it by email or text. Your customer opens a secure page with your shop's name. They don't need an ARI account. They enter their contact and vehicle details. QuickFill can decode the vehicle from its VIN. Nothing is added to your ARI account until the customer submits the form. When they select Send Details, ARI automatically creates the client and vehicle. That means the customer's information is ready in ARI before the visit. Any unused link simply expires on its own. Back in ARI, refresh recent intake links. The status changes to used, so the link can't be submitted again. You'll find the new records in Clients and Vehicles, marked Pre-filled by Customer. You can also generate an intake link from the New Client or New Vehicle page, or from the More menu on either list.